Okay, good afternoon, everybody. This is CK here, 26th January. Okay, 15:56 hours, Singapore time. Happy Friday. Thank goodness it's Friday, but as most of us are the ride drivers, so we have to work over the weekend. Okay, so what's happening to the crypto market? Crypto market is again showing stress again. All right, I think let's go to the mothership first. Okay, mothership is Bitcoin. Okay, when Bitcoin takes a sneeze, everybody catch a flu. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin now. Bitcoin, Bitcoin in the last round up. Okay, I did mention that that uh, that the RSI is actually flattening out. Okay, there was a divergence. Okay, and it possibly climbed up again. Now, however, I stress again that I did say that buy a single tranche. Okay, but in the meantime, okay, in the meantime, the the 10 EMA continue to be a major resistance line. Okay, all right. So what the stocks, while BTC, the Bitcoin has actually climbed above the cyan line. Okay, we can't really load it up to say that it's on the uptrend now, because the fact is that it has not gone above the purple line, which is shown here. Okay, all right, which is shown here, the purple line, this line. Okay, and it's still trending down. And of course, Bitcoin is actually now operating within the Ichimoku, the bearish side of the Ichimoku crowd. Okay, in fact, you should be looking for opportunity short, but I'm not going to short this one, because the fact is that there's a divergence in the downtrend on the RSI. So I think in the meantime, it's going to be trading sideways, or possibly, okay, coming down again to test the 10,000 line. Okay, the more it tests, the more it will break. Now, I really don't want Bitcoin to go down to zero, because I think that Bitcoin is actually a good tool to make money. Okay, because of its volatility. But if it's Bitcoin actually crash to zero, I think the quick way of making money with cryptocurrency is over, and we will have to work on the traditional um, stocks, which is a bit slower. Okay, and there are a lot more skill involved in terms of buying stocks. Okay, now let's look at the rest of the other good stuff. XRP. XRP in the post yesterday. All right. Okay, we'll take away the Ichimoku crowd first. In the post yesterday, I did mention that this. Okay, I think Kevin Chow is kind of puzzled what is mean by insider day. Okay, insider bar. Now this is an insider bar. Okay, look carefully here. This bar goes up. Okay, it goes up. The next day it traded within the same. The next day it traded within. Oops. Okay, I'm going to redraw again. Alright, this bar here. Now, talking about this bar here. This bar is trading within the same day range. Okay, it's trading at the lower than the high of this green bar, and here. Okay, that was 2 days ago. Today, this bar is being traded now, and you can see that it actually goes down to 1.2 now. Now, how do you trade inside the bar? I did mention that we have to watch for this one here. If this bar yesterday, when I made the Facebook post, okay, if this bar yesterday, all right, if this bar trades above, this bar is going up. Okay, If it trades below 1.25, all bets are off. It actually went down. Okay, it actually went down below 1.25. Okay, and lo and behold, today, see that the stock actually, the XRP start to fall. And it fall at a higher rate than yesterday. So because of the coiling effect on the day before, okay, when this bar traded below this bar, okay, of an insider bar of the previous bar, okay, and it start to fall very hard, okay, and that is called inside bar trading, okay. Now you shouldn't be holding a lot, okay, you should be holding one tranche, and I can tell you this, that is going down all the way to XRP is going down to 0.85, okay, 0.85. Now I don't like it. Why? If it's going down to 0.185, okay, I'm going to bring back the Ichimoku crowd. Okay, I'm going to switch off every single thing and just look at the cloud level so that you guys are not confused. Okay, it's operating, it has just moved into the bearish crowd of the Ichimoku crowd. Okay, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, I'm going to take away all the Bollinger Band. Now all this Bollinger Band is going to confuse you. Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, it is going to here. Okay, and possibly here, 0.75. 0.75. It's a good short. Okay, 1.3 all the way to 0.75. I think it's a great time to short. We should be shorting XRP now. Okay, very simple to short. Just go into here and click. Okay, how to short? Okay, now that it broke through the Ichimoku crowd. It broke through the Ichimoku crowd. Broke through the cyan line. Okay, all right, and confirmed by a breakout of the insider bar on the downside. Okay, very simple, easy to short. Just click sell. Okay, let's click sell. Okay, I'm going to sell $200 of XRP, and I'm done. Okay, sell position done. Okay, so I'm shorting XRP now. Okay, I'm shorting XRP now with a price target of from here down all the way up to 0.75. When it reached 0.75, okay, I close my position. Okay, so that is a good 30% run on the downside. Okay, simple, nothing, no big deal about it. Okay, now but however, the exit plan, if XRP trades above, comes back to trade to 1.47, okay, 1.47, as you can see from the green bar here, 1.47, okay, and trade above, we close our short. So at this point in time here, we are looking at about close to 1.4, about close to, let me see, this one is about close to 2:1, 2:1 reward ratio. Okay, all right, 1.5 to 1. Yeah, actually I short it yesterday, but that doesn't matter. I just want to show how you short the market. So in this case here, okay, if it comes down all the way to here, okay, for risk reward ratio, you're looking at about close to 1.5 to 1. Not very great, but you know, so that's the thing. You should short in the morning. If you're short in the morning, okay, the risk reward ratio would be much. This is risk and this is reward. Okay, a risk reward ratio of almost 2:1, which is much better off than shorting now. Okay, so that's for XRP. All right, so XRP is now why I do not like it. Okay, I don't like it at all because the fact that it is repeating the same thing what it has done previously. Okay, it is repeating itself. Okay, when it moves all the way from here down, all the way. Okay, it moved all the way to 30 cents. All right, all the way to 30 cents, and it comes down. Okay, it comes down. It kind of run on the sideways trend for the next 1 year. Okay, on the next 1 year, trading within a very narrow band. Okay, 0.15 to 25 range. Okay, so I really don't like it at all. If I actually prefer a much nicer run than what I'm seeing now. Okay, but that's life. Okay, we can't wish for the world. Okay, this one is history. Okay, and it's going to be in this range. It's going to be trading in. It's going to be trading in this range like this. Okay, all right, for the next 1 year. Okay, so all the way to November, hopefully, but that's life. And if it goes down to 25 cents, okay, this XRP is practically dead on the ground. So let's look at the other crypto. Okay, Dash, BCH, ETC, Ethereum. Ethereum is the one that I think there's a lot of talk about Ethereum replacing Bitcoin, but as I mentioned before, as long as it's not crossing the purple line, okay, we are not going in big. Okay, this is the purple line. Okay, the purple line is the 10 period high moving average. Okay, Lin Lei has still telling me that she doesn't know what is a purple line. Can somebody post on the Facebook what is a purple line? Okay, just post, because I think I can't do private tuitions for one-to-one on the WhatsApp group. Okay, just tell her what is a purple line and teach her how to do the setting. Okay, the purple line now is moving down. Okay, all right, and again it is going to reject the 10 moving average. It has rejected it before. Okay, it rejected it before here, and it's going to reject it again. Okay, the market is not closed yet. This it could have flipped up, but at this point in time, I'm seeing a possibility. Okay, possibility that is rejecting the 10 moving average, the red line, the 10 EMA. Now 10 EMA, the 10 EMA, so it's probably going down again, and but it's the same like here the last time. Okay, it rejected and it bounced up, it rejected and bounced up. So the only time that we really make good money is when it cross the purple line. It crossed the purple line and it straight move up. Okay, so it's going to come down. Okay, in tandem with BTC and everybody, and possibly test move, cut, clear this low, and all the way down to the Ichimoku crowd at about 800 to 700. So that's what I'm looking at now. However, am I going to short Ethereum? No, I'm not going to short Ethereum. Why? Because of this. This guy is still very much on an uptrend. It's still on the weekly chart. High, the low. Okay. Now it's coming down. Okay. this part here is still coming out to, it still haven't crossed the purple line. It is the only cryptocurrency has not crossed the purple line, the 10 period high EMA. Okay, the rest of it has actually moved below and trading at the cyan line, the 8 period low EMA. So this guy is still very much intact for a nice run up again. So don't walk away from ETH. If BTC goes all the way down to zero, ETC, there's some talk about ETH being the replacement for BTC as BTC start to lose in favor in the market because of its slow processing speed and its high transaction fee. So ETH may be the one to replace Bitcoin in the future. Okay, so this guy may pops up like this. Okay, so just be mindful of this development ongoing in the crypto market. Okay, so much so for all the cryptocurrency. Okay, I'm not going to talk about the rest of the stuff because the rest of the stocks the rest of the cryptos are basically a replica. They're moving in the replica as like Bitcoin, LTC, okay, LTC Dash and BCH. All these are replica of Bitcoin. So all right, so okay, you just trade the mothership Bitcoin, okay, on the downside, upside, okay, and you basically cover LTC and Dash. Okay, Ethereum, ETC is actually following Ethereum, but it's a poorer cousin, so I'm not so keen on ETC. With its spread, with its high spread, I might as well buy Ethereum in the eToros, okay, and Bitcoin Cash, okay. You can just throw it away because the fact is that if you buy Bitcoin, it's the same as Bitcoin Cash, okay, in terms of percentage movement. So I'm not really keen on Bitcoin Cash at all. All right, so that's what I'm seeing now. Okay, and yeah, I'm going to throw away Bitcoin Cash, and throwing away this one is very simple. Just close it. All right. Okay. Yeah, I lost 19 bucks, but what the heck. So Bitcoin, I'm the one keeping. Okay, and where's my XRP? Oh, XRP. I just from the time I did the short to now, I earned 4.64%. Okay, so that's a nice shot. And if it goes down to and on the hourly chart, if there's any pullback on the hourly chart, I will just increase my short on XRP and run it down to 0.75. Okay, XRP is over. Okay, forget about it. Okay, it's kind of going down to 0.75 and probably 0.8 max, 0.75, and hold out there and push out back again. Okay, so this is a good shot. Okay, one leg shot down. All right, and the rest I think I will reduce the positions, and yeah, this one is yeah, $14. Okay, bye bye. Okay, close, and that's it. Okay, I'm left with Bitcoin, Ethereum I'm keeping a bit. Okay, because I think Ethereum has more legs than the Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin just one position, nothing much. Okay, even if it goes down to zero, I'm just going to lose 200 bucks. So that's life. That's life. Okay, and XRP. Oh, it jumped back up again. Okay, so it's a bit volatile. Let's see how. Where's that thing? Oh, look at that. 1.1 all the way down, and some buying, and yep, that's right. This is the place. Okay, so now only this is on the hourly chart. Okay, this is on the hourly chart. Great. Now what it's going to do is this. Okay, for those guys who are watching this video and you want to short this one, very simple. Let this stop. Okay. All right. Very simple. Let this XRP move back up again. Okay, move back up again, maybe 1.27 plus or 1.2325. Okay, and commence shorting. Okay, and then after that it will come down. Okay, why am I so confident it will come down? Because the daily chart, the mother of all chart, is telling me this. Look, it is now coming down. Okay, it is coming down. The trend is obviously down. Okay, as long as it doesn't cross the red line, you continue to short it down. And if every time the stock moves up to here, because now it's operating in bear territory, okay, we can do that. Okay, comes up to here, you short it down, comes up to here, you short it down until such time that it cross and close. Okay, but in the meantime, it's not going to do that. It's the trend continue. The trend is your friend, and we'll just continue to drop, 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 comes up. Okay, drop, 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 comes up, drop, 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 comes up until it hit 20 cents for whatever reasons it is. Okay, I don't know the target price, but at the meantime, I'm looking at close to 0.75 before there's any sign of reversal. Okay, so that's for XRP. Right, so have a great weekend, and if there's any questions, please pop it on the Facebook and post it there so that I can answer and the rest can learn. Okay, stop WhatsApping me one to one because I am stretched answering individual questions. What is the point of having a Facebook? So that everybody learn at the same time. Okay, all right. Okay, thanks.